JarveePro updated with advanced features for smarter growth. This video will demonstrate how to use Spintax for posts and comments. Let's start by creating a post campaign. Select your accounts. You can import text from a file or use a template. Click Add from Spintax and enter the desired number of posts. You'll see that the post includes tags. You can also add tags manually. Remember to create new categories to easily differentiate between different marketing campaigns. Add a location. Select the images and videos you want to upload, and then save the link for future use, such as likes and comments. For the comment campaign, we can follow the same process, allowing you to customize the content of your Spintax. Download JarveePro now. Make your social media management more efficient.